Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. So, the touch area is located at the back front side, right here and right here. Now let me play some song. I wanna show you that I customize gestures a bit. So I only change triple tap for the left earbud to play previous track, because I think it's better than what it have by default. Now let's check it. So if I press 2 times on my right earbud, I will play or pause the song. 1, 2. I just pause the song. 1, 2. And I play a song. If I press 3 times at my right earbud, I will play next track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And if I press 3 times on my left earbud, I will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. It worked. The last one, we have volume control. To increase the volume, you need to press and hold at your right earbud. You just press and hold, and as you can see at this widget, it worked. To lower the volume, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. So just press and hold, and as you can see, it also worked. And the last one what we have is the double tap for the left earbud. Let me open the application to show that it worked. So let me turn on it. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will swap between ambient sound controls. So firstly, if you do not select one of these modes, like ANC or transparency, and you have it just off, you will swap to transparency. So 1, 2, here we go. If you have transparency mode, you press 2 times and you will swap to ANC. 1, 2, here we go. And if you selected ANC and you will press 2 times at your left earbud, you will turn off these modes. And it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!